Hello, I'm back. Hi guys, it is Gina here with Tudor Rose Tarot, and I'm gonna do some love readings. Going to attempt to the energy. I want to go through quickly astrologically what's going on. I wrote it down, some of it. There's a lot. First, we're going through this lunar eclipse in Capricorn. It's also Cancer season. Capricorn and Cancer are opposite signs. So you've got practicality of Cancer. Cancer is a very practical sign with emotional. Did I say Cancer? Capricorn is very practical. Cancer is very emotional. Remember, she's the mother. She's the moon. Well, she can be, she's represented. Well, Pisces too, but Cancer is the mother. Capricorn kind of like the father, in a way. So that's this weekend, 4th to 5th. And in our United States of America, it's our Independence Day. So it's almost like, it's a big deal because it's happening during our independence. It's a big, transit. Not transit, a big lunar event. And we also have Mercury is also still in retrograde until the 12th and the 13th of this month in Cancer, which isn't, like I just said, emotional sign. So beware of your communications. They may be a bit off. You may be feeling a bit emotional because of that until the 13th, the 12th, 13th. And then there's kind of a shadow period after that even. There's a lot of planets that are still in retrograde. Pluto, Saturn, Jupiter, Mars. I don't know if Mars is in I don't think so. But some of the big planets are in retrograde, and that's got an effect too. We're going through this huge transformation. A lot of astrologers and a lot of my fellow readers have reached out on their channels and said that they've been feeling this energy of change, this energy of things are different. They don't quite have the energy to do their readings. Things are different. Because everything's changing, and it's changing very quickly. We have a lot of radical things going on in our world. I haven't really talked about any of that, because I'm not gonna get on here and talk about politics and, that kind of thing. That's not something I want to do. I want to give my viewers and people that I love readings, with not too much drama. But there is a lot going on in our world, and it cannot be ignored because it's everywhere. And me, I'm a Scorpio, Cancer rising, Virgo moon, Capricorn Venus, Scorpio Mercury. Okay, so been feeling a lot of the energy, and that's why I haven't had a lot of energy to do readings. So I'm going to be doing, I debated on should I do Cancer, Capricorn. So I'm going to do Capricorn. Okay, so my Capricorns, this is going to be a love reading for July. This is only the 3rd. Thanks guys for being understanding of my situation. Oops, I made some noise. I love you. Let's just get into it. Oops. And we're going to have some problems because of Mercury. Right? Right, of course. I'm using Tarot of the Night because it's dark. It's a dark deck because I'm feeling that whole dark feel, Capricorn. So this is for your Sun, Moon, your rising, your Venus, Mars. My Mars is in Libra. So we're gonna do a love reading for you. You don't want to shuffle. Cap. Capricorns. Okay, that was a good one. So we're gonna cut it. The deck 3 times. We're gonna lay out the cards. 9 cards this month. Tower, the Lovers, and the 9 of Cups. Wow. 2 of Swords, 3 of Pentacles in reverse, the 9 of Swords in reverse, the Fool, Queen of Pentacles reversed, Knight of Cups reversed. Yeah. So this is exactly the kind of thing I'm talking about. There's a, yeah. Okay, so Cap. Yeah, this is interesting. Okay. Let's get to it. The past. Looks like you've had some, Tower. The Tower. So there's been some sort of upheaval. Sorry, I burped. There's been some kind of upheaval in your love life in the past. Gemini, Scorpio. So you got the Lovers. I look at this 2 ways. There could have been a choice some of you needed to make, or this is just about a very significant relationship that was in your life, Capricorn. 9 of Cups, and you seem to have, you went from the Tower to that. You may have broken up with someone, got back together, and thought things are gonna work out. Because currently you have the 2 of Swords. You're kind of unsure where you're going. 3 of Pentacles, reversed. Yeah, there's a lack of cooperation here, really. This cooperation, it's... Then the 9 of Swords, I like that's in reverse. There's a sense that you're not feeling so anxious as you did, but you're still kind of undecided about what's going on in your love life, Capricorn. The Fool. There's a part of you that wants to take a chance, but you're really not wanting to do it because the Queen of Pentacles is in reverse, and hold on a minute, Mercury. She would be the Queen, that's, Virgo, Capricorn, this is you. This is you. But you're in reverse. You're not sure. Nine of Cups. Again, you're not sure if you want to offer someone that cup. Oh, wow. So before I even got started, the Emperor came out, the Nine of Wands came out. I'm clarifying, that two of Swords. Whoa. Wow. Death and the Angel of the Night. And this is a card that doesn't really come out very often. This is a card of... I'll read it in just a second. It's not a bad card. You want to take action. But there's a part of you that's afraid of an ending. Clarify the middle row. Three of Wands. Okay. I'm clarifying the present. Ten of Swords. So you're definitely... There's some kind of... And now I'm clarifying the future. Ten of Pentacles for that Fool card. There is abundance in your life. Cap. Okay. Four of Swords came out. Five of Cups came out. Alright. Wow. I'm glad I used this deck. The Hermit. Ace of Swords. Okay. Gosh. And the World. And Ace of Wands. What else can you show me for Cap? I am going to clarify the Tower for you. Up there in your past. I want to know what happened. Because something happened that caused it. Nine of Wands. Here. Seven of Pentacles. Put some work into something. And our Knight of Swords. Alright. So it looks like... Do I need to clarify anything else? Spirit. Queen of Wands. Queen of Wands. Queen of Wands. So it seems like to me that there could have been two people here. Because there's two queens showing up in this reading. What's at the bottom? Strength. The Moon. And the Five of Wands. Wow. Emperor. The Two of Cups. And that was not the Emperor. That was the Hierophant that came out. Sorry. And then Temperance. So it looks like things are going to work out. It's just going to be bumpy. Bumpy. Cat. So why did the Tower happen? Well, the Nine of Wands. It seems that somebody here was putting up a defense. Didn't want to give up on this though. Somebody had put some work into it. The Seven of Pentacles. Our Knight of Swords. Jon Snow. He looks like Jon Snow. Definitely looks like there was somebody here that put down their sword and said, I want to do this. Then the Queen of Wands shows up. I think either you or your person felt like they put a lot of work into this, but there's a Queen of Wands here because I feel like this Queen of Wands, maybe this was you. Maybe you were feeling very fiery, passionate about the connection at this point. And you wanted to build on it. Currently, we have the Knight of Wands with the Hierophant. What have you learned? Taurus energy. What have you learned? Have you learned to take charge, to go forward? Because you need to do that. Because the Two of Swords is here. Two of Swords is like, I don't know which direction I want to go. I'm confused. Got Death. Scorpio. Some of you could be dealing with Scorpio. The Angel of the Night. I want to read that for you guys real quick. I don't get that card very often. It's an extra card. Let me see where it's at. Even if it's like a major in the majors. Is it in the majors? Judgment. Nope. Where is this card? Okay. Bonus card. If you pick me up, my message to you is your inner night is soon coming to an end. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's great. That makes sense. Because you got an ending here. Death. Your night's coming to an end. There's something that's coming to an end. Capricorn. This Three of Pentacles reversed. It's coming to an end. You're gonna get that cooperation that you're longing for in a relationship. Over here. And it's gonna come because Three of Wands, Ten of Swords. There's an ending. Oh, I'm so sorry about that, guys. There's an ending. I want another card for that. Oh, thank you. Seven of Swords. The Sun. Alright, good. It's not bad, actually. You've been waiting on this. Yes, there's an ending, but I'm not seeing this as a bad thing. Because you've got the Seven. I'm not even seeing this as a bad thing. Seven of Swords. Because she's liberating herself. She's like, here I am, come and get me. Because the sun's gonna come out. It's the energy of, I'm alright with myself. Take your best shot at me and see what happens. That kind of thing. Oh, and this came out. Three of Swords came out. I didn't even see the Three of Swords. Okay. Wow. 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 Now, you're afraid of getting hurt. You're afraid of taking a chance. Because you've been hurt. That's the Three of Swords. You've been ripped open. You've been there. You've done that. But there is abundance with the Ten of Pentacles. Just need to kind of step back, Cap. Stop thinking about that. Five of Cups. Stop focusing energy on what if. What if? What if? What if? Because what if could never come. Because what you get, you need to be more right. You need to be in the upright. Because you've got going to be going into the hermit mode, Virgo. You're going to be doing some thinking. Thinking with the Ace of Swords, certainly be thinking. And what you're going to be thinking about, the world, and the Ace of Wands. There is new beginnings here, guys. This Knight of Cups in reverse, it's because you are afraid to make that offer to that person. There's a key. Somebody's got the key to you to open you up. Okay. And over here, strength, beautiful. The moon. The moon, like I was telling you in the beginning of this video, is going to cause a bit of, it's going to be some chaos. It's going to be some eclipse. Five of Wands. There's going to be a bit of conflict. But then we get the Emperor. Aries. And this month, Aries is going to be, something to do with Mars. I'm not exactly sure. But and look, the moon. This lunar eclipse is going to be so important to you, Capricorn. You're going to take command of the situation. Two of Cups, Temperance. It's going to work out. You're going to have that balance that you're looking for. You are. It's even gonna come for some of you. It's gonna actually be coming from within yourself. I'm gonna use the angel cards. And I don't want to use something else for the love readings. I should have already thought this out before I did it. I'll do angel answers. So let's do these. You know I have to shuffle these really strangely. But I do like these. They're beautiful cards. Actually, I'm gonna keep in the theme of that particular artist. We're gonna take a Gina card. You get Sacred Journey. Woo. What else for Capricorn? Your reading's a little bit long, but at this point, the dream. Alright. And we're gonna take those two, and then we're gonna take grab whatever comes out. Okay. 3. This one. A message for you. I'm thinking of you this very moment. Your love fills me with light. I love you. This one. You may not always understand why certain things happen. However, there's always a higher purpose to the events in your life. Through turmoil, a blessing will soon be rebuilt. And then this one. Friendship. Nurture the bonds of friendship within your relationship. Your love life will dramatically improve. Some of you, this is somebody that you're friends with. Maybe you haven't taken it to that next level, or some of you have. The dream. Something is rebuilt, insight, breakthrough. And then the sacred journey. Beautiful. Life cycles, family, and transformation. So it's a big month for you, Capricorns, in love. It really is. So thanks for being here. Please, thumbs up, like, share, subscribe. Subscribe. I need subscribes. So I love you. Till next time.